Hey everyone, this is Carla Jenkins. And first and foremost, thanks for all the support in my cloud journey. As you know, I just became certified in Amazon Web Services, certified cloud practitioner. Today is Wednesday, May the 6th, 2020. I passed it last night via Pearson VUE online proctoring. And I'm very, very happy about this accomplishment because, as I stated before in my previous video, it's my first but not my last Amazon Web Services. So this video is all about I passed it, what's next? So it's twofold. The first thing is I'm going to continue my Amazon Web Services cloud journey by pursuing my Solutions Architect Associate as well as SysOps Administrator. Why? Because I've worked in the help desk as SaaS administrator and I already have systems admin experience. Before receiving my certification, I have over 14 years problem solving experience in project management, big data, and IT service management. Moreover, I also have ITIL 3 Foundation, ITIL 4 Foundation, ITIL 4 Create, Deliver, and Support certification. So I have a very solid IT service management background in both the public, which is the government, and the private sectors. Uh, in addition to that, I also have certified Scrum Master. So I have Agile or IT project management certification experience. So I'm very solid in that area. However, as I mentioned earlier, this is my first certification in cloud. Hey, Lala! Yeah, I know. I'm very happy. So I want us to talk about like what was next because the whole thing, as I've been doing this adventures in workforce development. So if anyone knows, I'm a native Ohioan. I was going through Ohio Meets Job, which is workforce development, to get this certification. So I got it. I got it last night. I did it at night because that's normally when it's quiet, but also I was hearing some horror stories about Pearson VUE online proctoring when you take it during the normal business hours. Like now, it's 1 p.m. Eastern, and it's horror stories because everyone's trying to get on, and due to a coronavirus, there's no physical testing centers open, so everyone has to get online to take it. And I took it at night. I didn't have any issues. I passed it and it was big. So what I would recommend, Lala, or anyone who's watching, is that I would recommend paying $20 for the AWS practice exam. For the certified cloud practitioner, what I would recommend, it was $20. And here's why. The practice exam has the same interface as the actual exam. So what the $20 gives you is how you will see the screen, the enter, the exit, the review, the flag button. You would know the interface before going to the exam. That's extremely important when you're under pressure and you can be fidgety. And this is the first time you see in the system, you can become intimidated. This video is to help you be in a better position to pass the exam. So I did want to give you that tidbit before returning back to what's new. So also, since this is on LinkedIn, check out my Adventures in Workforce Development YouTube playlist by clicking the playlist. You can also click right here to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any videos in the area of project management, IT service management, and social media marketing, because those are huge areas here. So returning back to my cloud journey, I see myself doing Solutions Architect, Associate, and SysOps. The second thing is I'm actively looking for partnerships and opportunities, full-time remote, DC and Cleveland, cloud opportunities, because I've already worked, as I mentioned before, in IT service management and in the help desk and in other areas of tech. So looking for cloud opportunities, that's really what I'm looking for. I'm also open to cloud analyst, engineer, as well as economist. I have a bachelor's in international economics, and I worked 6 years as an economist for the federal government. So I'm very well versed in cloud economics, total cost of ownership. I would have no problem doing that opportunity because I worked as an economist before. So the two big things is continuing, number one, continuing my Amazon Web Services cloud journey for solutions architect associate, as well as ops admin based on my background. And then number two is I am actively looking for partnerships and opportunities, full-time remote, Cleveland and DC cloud opportunities. I have a significant background in that. So you can get in touch with me. You can either comment below or contact me at carlarjenkins.com/contact. I'll also put my LinkedIn information in the description so you can click on it and contact me there. And a caveat or a final thing about it is I also see myself further down the line getting um, Azure Fundamentals, which at the time is AZ900. Why? Because as I professed before, and not just the Adventures of Workforce Development, but in other videos, I wanted to be multi-cloud. So I wanted to do more than just one cloud vendor. I have done this while in project management. So I am certified Scrum Master, which is Agile. I'm also project management professional, which is waterfall, traditional, or predictive project management. So I am a project manager of 2 life cycles, and I want the same thing being in cloud. So I want to master both Amazon Web Services as well as Microsoft Azure, and I do see myself doing that. So that's where I will be going from here. So those are the two big things. As always, remember these 3 things. Please subscribe to the YouTube right down here. Hit the subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Also, connect with me, carlarjenkins.com/contact and LinkedIn for any opportunities. And then finally, check out on YouTube my Adventures in Workforce Development playlist. That will help you make better decisions if you so do decide to do workforce development training in the areas. It doesn't have to be cloud computing, but those are the 3 big things. So thanks for the support, live and replay viewers. Check me out, and I'll see everybody in the next live stream video. Have a wonderful day.